And hello once again. So yes, there is a second part, and there's a good reason why. Right, I've tested this with the Commodore 64 because this is the reason why I bought an head cleaner, because it was having problems loading a few tapes up. And the head cleaner seems to be a success. It seems to have worked. Okay, it hasn't worked with all the tapes, but I think there's a few tapes that are a bit dodgy and having problems anyway. But when I tested it, it seemed to be running a lot better. So yes, it might have done the trick. But now we've got another 8-bit computer to test it out on. This one's been absolutely fine. I've had no problems loading tapes up on this one at all. But all the same, let's give it a clean. Notice how much tape I said on the first video? You think that's a lot of tape there, don't you? I thought it was a lot of tape. Right. Here we go. And literally it isn't that much tape at all. I think it may be about a minute of worth of tape there. Because look how quickly it's going through, spooling through. So it's obviously a lot thicker than a regular piece of tape, or regular head cleaners, because my head cleaners only, as I said back in the day, might have only had about a minute of tape, or minute of cleaning tape, whatever you want to call it. But as you can see, it's really going through it, and obviously this ain't sped up. As you can see, it's running at normal speed, but it's definitely going through it. So what we're going to do, we're not going to play all of it, I'll just play one side, because you're supposed to do both sides. And as you see, we've got instructions here. Right, let's pull back on a bit. So, to clean cassette, to clean your cassette tape recorder, insert the play cleaning tape into the cassette compartment, press the play button, and the cleaning tape will automatically erase all dust and oxide from tape head of the recorder. Use the head cleaning tape every 40 playing hours of your cassette tape recorder. To obtain effective cleaning benefits, run the head cleaning tape to the end. Warning: do not use the head cleaning tape more than once on each side during cleaning period. Right, so there, as you can see, it's almost at the end of the side. I did in the Commodore 64 play it both sides, but as I said, I'm only going to play this one side because there is no problems whatsoever with this. When I tested it last, it was playing, it was loading up all the tapes, so there's no problem there. Yeah, as you see, it looks quite a lot, but probably about a minute of cleaning tape there. Just thought I'd point that out to you, because in the first video I thought it was quite a lot of tape, but it ain't. It's probably, I think, about a minute. So yeah, I have to say, what I've tried out on the Commodore 64 seems to have worked better, but obviously I've got a couple of tapes, might be bad tapes that don't load at all. So yep, I think it's solved some problems, you know, but as I say, you can't do nothing if the tape is not working properly anyway. Anyway, I'm going to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.